If you are wondering if you can use a memory card on iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, then the answer is no. The iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max do not have the microSD card slot. There is no space, there is no slot for microSD card on the SIM tray. As you can see, the microSD card is pretty much as big as the whole SIM tray. It's pretty much the same size. There is no way to insert it. So in that case, if you actually want to use a memory card on your iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, then you have to use a memory card reader. For example, I have this huge memory card reader where I can insert my memory card over here, and then I can use it in order to, well, to, transfer data or access the USB storage, because I have the USB-C cable over here. So I can just connect it to my iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max, and I can easily use it. But without it, you won't be able to use it. And of course, even using it is a little bit of a downside, because, well, it is definitely a little bit inconvenient to use it all the time. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.